Welcome to Mora IFC. It is what it's a Ghanaian person may tell you Akwaba. It means welcome. Just look at how this beautiful cargo pocket is looking amazing, so beautiful. You can do it very easy steps. Well explained. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. You can see how beautiful it has turned out to be. It's amazing, Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell so you ain't gonna miss any of my video. It is what it is. Just look how beautiful. If you want to learn how to cut this utility vest, see how beautiful it is. I'm gonna leave a link below. Click on it and go and learn how to cut it and learn how to sew it and come and learn how to do the cargo pocket. Or you're going to learn how to do the cargo pocket, then you go and learn how to cut it and sew it. It's very, very simple. I'm going to leave a link below. Click on the link below. Click on it and go and learn how to do it, how to cut it, how to sew it. It's all there. Everything is being explained. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is hiding. Welcome to Mora IFC. So let's start doing with the cargo pocket. I'm measuring 10.5. This is 10.5 that I'm marking. It is what it is. I want my pocket to be 6.5. It's up to you how you want your pocket to be. So I'm marking 2 inches. That is 2 inches. I want my pocket to be 6.5 inches. So you're gonna draw a square of 10.5 inches. So at the bottom and side of the square, you mark 2 inches. 2 inches at the top, 2 inches at the back, 2 inches at the side, at the right side and the left side, to form a square. So it's gonna be like a pregnant woman. It is what it is. So square at the back, square inside. So as you can see, I'm marking 2 inches at the top and 2 inches at the bottom, 2 inches at the right side, 2 inches at the left side. So I'm gonna have a square and also a square inside, which is 6 inches. So the square is gonna be 10.5 square and 6 inches square inside. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple. My mark is 6 inches. My mark is 10.5. 10.5 na mark here. And I make square na make no. Inti me 10.5 square. My size is 6 inches square. Inside because my person my pocket no. 6.5 inches. My pocket is 6.5 inches. Into where I'm marking now 2 inches, 2 inches. Alright, so what's here? Ne, young cosway. Into my market, where is 10.5 into my former square? Baby, 10.5. And I'm drawing in my pocket 7% pocket in the 6.5. Pocket no per se, Casabia, baby, about my. So you fold, then you iron. That is the opening side, baby, that is the opening side of it. So I just need this part. It is what it is. So I'm going to fold it like this. We fold this here to get the middle of it. It's very important. We're going to need the middle. So I fold my 2 inches and I make iron 2 inches. Then I fold another 2 inches right there. And also 2 inches and I'm folding here. Then I fold the bottom again, the 2 inches, a tono, which I fold 2 inches. Form a triangle there, then I'll sew on top. When you iron it like this, give you the line so that you know how to connect your line when you are cutting. So when I form a triangle like this, you see, then I sew on top. So I'm going on the sewing machine and I'm going to pick the same thing. Fold you are no pump top and send them to tray caneno. So here it is. I'm doing my top stitch at the opening side. Baby, and I made palm semi fold it. I folded and I iron it. Yeah, that's the opening side. I'm making my top stitch over there. Then I fold my triangle. I fold it like this. Make sure the lines are matched with the lines. Make sure the line are connected with the same lines, Then you sew on the line. No palm line, no super pepe. I know you feeling me. Are you getting it? So let's bows on. I'm going to repeat the same thing too if you didn't get it. So I have to cut it off. So form your triangle like this. Let me do it again. You fold it like this. Make sure the lines are connected with each other. Then you fold it. But form a triangle on or form a line now. I better down. Palm so paper. You sew on the line. Exactly on the line. So it's gonna be something like this. Once I be like this. So we fold it. Then we top stitch it. Palm so this part is optional, but it's important you do it. It bring out the shape. It bring out the shape out. O palm so say now my shape now then abba. So that it will be very beautiful. You see the pocket being pop out just like that. Yeah, it is what it is. So let's keep on. You sew on top like this. You go around it from the one side of the opening to another side of the opening. Then you keep on going. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Click on notification bell. So this is how it's gonna be. Then you fold 1/2 inch like this around it, or then you iron it. Yeah, I've done that. So you just jump from that step. You're going to. So I'm marking to my waistline. You can see my utility vest there. You mark to your waistline, you come down by 1 inch or 1/2 inch, then you put your pocket there. You make sure that you draw your pocket less 1/4 inch than the actual size of the pocket. So feeling me? So this is my pocket. As a pocket not drawn, it's very important to draw a pocket on your fabric, the design, the top that you are doing on your jeans, on your top. It's important to draw it on it so it will guidelines, serve as a guideline, become easy for you. So after ironing it, you can see it. I've ironed it. I've ironed 1/2 inch inward. I'm going to chop this part off to avoid bulky so that my machine can pass through easily. Me try on the floor. Na Emma hormone bed ding my machine into me then found. Osha no na my 2.5 inch a room. A 2.5 inch a room. Important say obedri o pocket no. Sana abua wa mana easy amount. So let's get it on. So we put it on it like that. You have to measure it. We have already cut some off. So you have to put it on it and measure it carefully so that you know where you put the rest and you continue. Because we are not going to start from the top. We have already cut some off. You know something? If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. It is what it is. Leave your comment if you don't understand something. I will definitely explain it to you. Just leave a comment if you don't understand something. So, like I see, I need the middle of it. Again, it's very important to get the middle of it. Then I'll match it with the middle. Say me tono me yeno me tona me nyan fifino anso say me nyan fifino ma connect na boom. So when you sketch your pocket on your jeans, on your clothes, on your top, you have to get the middle of it. And when you are cutting the cargo pocket itself, you have to get the middle of it so that it matches. Then to become perfect, you just have to keep on sewing on the line that you drawn. As you can see, we're still doing it. We're taking our time. No rushing. Man, rush it. No rushing. Man, rush it. No rushing. Man, rush it. So you can see we're done from that part. So let's put it on and see if you have gotten it correctly. In fact, this is my first time making utility vest. So you can see it has matched up perfectly. You can do it like this and leave it if you want to do the cover, the top, the opening side. You can cover it, or you can still leave it like this. You can see how the pocket has been popped out, because of we sew on top. So we just have to double stitch at that angle. you have to double stitch to hold it firm, because the pocket you keep putting our hand. Sometimes people ask, why do we have to overstitch at the tip of the pocket? It's because we have to overstitch at that part so that when we put our hands there, it's always busy. That part is always busy opening. So if that part you didn't top stitch and hold it firm, it's easy to turn out. It won't last. So you have to top stitch and hold it down. That's why some jeans you're gonna see that they have to put some needle, some locking, hook at the top, at the pocket of a jeans, just to make that page hold up firmly. So that's it. And but my jeans see ya no jan ho, and I saw but my there be butusuno. So we keep moving. It is what it is, what I have seen. So the sizes, it depends how big, how wide you want it to be. It depends the kind of clothes that you are sewing. Let me check this one out. Yeah, that is 6.5, as you can see. We are going to do the top, the cover one. So this is it. The difference here that you have to add quarter of an inch to the 6.5, so that it will be bigger, a little bigger than the pocket itself. You feeling me? So anytime you look at cargo pocket, you can see that the opening, the head of it, is kind of bigger than the actual pocket. It make it beautiful. It cover the place that the pocket side. You just have to shave it like how you want it to be. You curve it. You just do it the way that you want. You style it up. Then you put the facing on it. But mostly it depends. It depends the fabric that you are using. If your fabric is soft, you just have to put faces on it. If it's hard, you just have to leave it like that. So we go to the sewing machine. You put right side and the right side together. Then you sew. Take it easy when you are working on the curve side. The curve, you have to take your time. Don't just write then you go. You won't get that place perfect. You just have to take your time. So as you can see, I'm just taking my time at that part. I'm used to this. I can go fast. As a beginner, you take anything. You just take your time. So I'm gonna flip everything over. I can see the top is opening. We did not sew the top, so we're gonna flip it over. Then we iron it just like that. So let me go and iron it and come back really quick. Papa, yeah, it is. After that, you can see how beautiful it has turned out. After that, you top stitch it again. Voila. So it's time to put it on the top of the pocket. You just have to leave like quarter of an inch. Let's check it out. You can see this one is kind of big. It's almost 7, and this is 6.5. That means it's quarter of an inch bigger than the actual pocket itself. So don't know. Sunka krebi quarter sunka krechen pocket nankasem. Sunka krechen pocket nankasem. So here is out. So you just have to top stitch at that part. Double stitch right there. Then you sew. Here we go. Capiche? So after that, you trim it off. Mark the notches. What are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe. It's important that you trim this one off. It's important, so that when you put it back like this and you sew on top, it won't show up. That place will cover so neatly, so beautiful. So we're done. For the small pocket, it's up to you. It depends on where you're gonna put the small pocket. Like you see how beautiful that part is hidden, so beautiful. It depends where you're gonna put your pocket. That will determine the size of the pocket that you want to put. So the small size, you can just reduce it to 4 inches by 4 inches. It will be good for the small pocket. Then you just have to reduce the sizes. And remember the other one, we added 2 inches at the side. You just can make it 1.5 at the side. So click on the link below. Click on the link below. Learn how to cut and sew this utility vest. Like I said, there's a lot of utility style out there, and this is my first time of making this utility vest, and I'm loving it, and I'm wrecking, and I'm clocking it. See how beautiful it has turned out. So I want to add in I patcha. So me out. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click on the notification bell. It is what it is.